All right. Check it. Here we are. Beautiful Hilton field. We got some kind of huge earth moving thing over there. The L39. This guy's ready to go. I haven't cleared him yet. I don't know what he's doing. Flaps are down. You got half flaps? All right. You're clear. Clear for takeoff. L39. The Avanti of the sport jets. Oh, and he lost the drop tank on takeoff. Let's see if it affects his flying. We shall see.
I'm gonna land it so you can put it back on it.
Ha! Knew it. Coming in, we got a bonus landing here. Let's see. I will tell you this: you flying with one drop tank, it does. The airplane does. You do feel it. Flies funky. I don't fault him for coming in. Very nice, very smooth. The L39 you can glide in, and that's what he did. It comes in a little faster than if you come in with power with the nose up, but it slows down well enough that you can actually glide it pretty much from the point you turn base, as long as you got enough altitude. Let's see here. I'm going to keep this video going. Look at that. Thousands, maybe I'm exaggerating, but hundreds. We flew the drone overhead. There's already hundreds of homes back there where there was none 6 months ago. There's already some homes where people have moved in. And the houses, the back end of the houses are going to come up right up to our property line. There's a street there. You can see the pipes for where the homes are going to be. Typical Florida subdivision. The homes are 10 feet apart.
I need to fix that nose wheel. Keeps turning to the left.
How about the actual suspension part? We had to fix that earlier today. It had popped out.
No, that's fine, but I keep having to correct to the right a lot.
Alrighty.
When I'm taking off. You don't know.
Yeah, this thing's jumping off right now. All right, take two of the L39. This is a good trainer jet, although I will say I have one, and I've never been quite comfortable flying it. I don't know why. I much prefer my F-86, definitely the F-22. That's me personally. And the F-86 has no gyro in it. Neither does my L39. But it is a very popular flyer. Very fast. This one is very fast. This is the... Whoa! This one has the outrunner, and it still consistently hits 120. And that's here at sea level with 90% humidity.
1 minute, 83.
95 degree temperatures. I think all that affects it. I don't know if it affects it to the positive or to the negative, but it does affect it.
140 feet, 83 miles per hour, 91 miles per hour.
You're 91, and he's at half throttle.
65.
Oh! Break my neck. My back. Just like that.
42 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour.
Having the clouds in the background makes it a lot easier to film because you can kind of see the clouds. You really can't see the airplane in the viewfinder. Very nice. Very nice. Was that flaps or no flaps?
No, that was flaps.
Seconds, flaps up.
I'm gonna come back the other way, doing the same thing.
All right. You're coming. The wind is going down the runway, so you're going to be coming upwind. Just a slight breeze, perfect breeze for landing, actually.
61 miles per hour. 64 miles 20 seconds, 59 miles per hour, 42.
Very nice. Very nice.
That was pretty.
What was that? About maybe a quarter throttle?
Not even.
41 miles per hour, 47 miles per hour, 55.
Let's try that again with.
If the wind's straight down the runway, and it's not much wind, so it's. I think it's perfect for that kind of.
Half, flaps up 9, 8, 7, 17 miles per hour, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, second, timer 2, up 79 miles per hour, 52 feet, 47 miles per hour, 20 seconds, 92 miles per hour, 94 miles per hour, 27 feet, 40 miles per hour, 61 miles per hour, 74 miles per hour, minus 46 feet, 90 miles per hour, 10, 9, 68 miles per hour, 8, 7, 75 miles per hour, 4, 3, 76 miles per hour, 2, 1, 96 miles per hour.
This is why I like flying here. You can just fly
Anywhere.
any fucking direction you want.
Yeah, like I said, like I told Bo this morning, I got two paved fields within 20 minutes of my house. 2. I can go to Sparks, or I can go to Sparks or Tracks. That's the other one? Tracks and Sparks. They are both literally less than 20 minutes from my house. But I come out here. This is
3 miles per hour and I have it at half bar. Oh, damn, I was going to do a speed pass, but
Nope.
it's calling me out. Dude, I can literally land in any direction, so I think I'm going to land.
that direction is best, but it's up to you. You can leave the other way. It's not going to hurt it either way.
Left to right.
75 miles per hour, flaps half, 70 miles per hour, 98
All right, he's on his downwind. It's really his upwind.
52 miles per hour,
Turning base.
53 miles per hour,
Final.
7 feet,
Power's on.
51 miles per hour,
He never let it settle in. Okay, now he's letting it settle in.
53
Coming in kind of hot. Took a bounce.
53 miles per
But it's all good. All right. Here it is. Bring it over. That L39 gear does soak up these bumps pretty nicely. It's got the same setup as the Avanti. All right. There it is.
Oh, you can't lose again.
Yeah, that may be it for that. All right. We're all good. We're out, snitches.